Bend forward and keep your arm and back straight. Let's downward facing dog pose. Both hands, both legs should be one line. And now raise your right leg up. Toe point up. Now slowly lift your left heels up. Toe should be touch on the mat. Chin up and try to look front side. Now bend your elbow, shoulder down and chest should be touch on the mat. Both legs should be straight. Now slowly bend your right knee and foot touch on the head. Now first right hand is straight. Then bend your elbow and try to hold your foot. And now left hand front side. Bend your elbow and try to hold your foot. Then slowly with breathing lift your shoulder portion up. And much as possible try to stretch your backbone. Then slowly lift your left leg up, bend your knee and toe under your left arm. Try to hold here minimum 5 to 10 seconds. Keep normal breathing.